हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल वाटर्स अकेडमी। चलिए आज से नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे। करंट अफेयर वन लाइनर जो है, इसमें आज हम पहले दिन जनवरी का करंट अफेयर देखेंगे। इन विच सिटी लॉ टू रजिस्टर एफआईआर अगेंस्ट दोज हु गिव आर्म्स विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड फ्रॉम 1 फरवरी 2025। इंदौर के अंदर लॉ टू रजिस्टर एफआईआर अगेंस्ट दोज हु गिव आर्म्स विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड फ्रॉम 1 जनवरी इन इंदौर, which five new countries started 2 year term as यूएनएससी, पाकिस्तान, डेनमार्क, ग्रीस, पनामा एंड सोमालिया। 5 कंट्री जिन्होंने 2 साल का टर्म स्टार्ट किया यूएनएससी के अंदर, पाकिस्तान, डेनमार्क, ग्रीस, पनामा और सोमालिया। विच कंट्री हैज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बैन ऑन कवरिंग द फेस इन पब्लिक प्लेस? स्विट्जरलैंड ने क्या बैन किया है? बैनिंग द फेस इन पब्लिक। अकॉर्डिंग टू मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स रिलीज ऑन 1 जनवरी 2025, विच कंट्री मिस्टीरियस वायरस ह्यूमन मेटा निमोवायरस इज इन ग्रिप ऑफ इन्फेक्शन? चाइना के अंदर एक कौन सा नया वायरस फैल रहा है? आपका HMPV वायरस। वन नेशन वन सब्सक्रिप्शन scheme was launched in the country. The objective of scheme is what? Provide access to academic research and scientific content to students and researchers. आपके वन नेशन वन सब्सक्रिप्शन नाम का एक स्कीम लॉन्च किया गया है। इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? एक्सेस देना एकेडमिक रिसर्च और साइंटिफिक कंटेंट को स्टूडेंट्स और रिसर्चर्स को। हु टुक ओवर एज अ CEO ऑफ UIDAI? भुवनेश कुमार ने CEO ऑफ UIDAI का कार्यभार संभाला है। हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज अ सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ एसोचैम ऑन 1 जनवरी 2025? मनीष सिंघल जो है आपके सेक्रेटरी जनरल बने हैं एसोचैम के। जनरेशन बीटा अराइव्ड इन द वर्ल्ड वेयर वाज द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ द जनरेशन? फ्रैंकी रैम रौथदिका जेडेंग बॉर्न इन इंडिया, आइजोल मिजोरम के अंदर आपका जनरेशन बीटा का पहला चाइल्ड जन्म लिया है, जिसका नाम है फ्रैंकी रैम रौथदिका जेडेंग, जो कि इंडिया के अंदर बॉर्न हुआ है। विच टू प्लेयर्स were jointly declared winners of the first time in the FIDE World Blitz Championship in न्यूयॉर्क? 2 प्लेयर जो कि विनर डिक्लेयर किए गए हैं FIDE वर्ल्ड ब्लिट्स चैंपियनशिप न्यूयॉर्क के अंदर, मैग्नस कार्लसन जो कि नॉर्वे के हैं और इयान नेपोनियात्स्की ये रसिया के हैं। विच फेमस बोटनिस्ट ऑनर्ड विद द पद्मश्री अवार्ड डाइड इन थिरुसुर? के एस मनीलाल जो कि फेमस बोटनिस्ट थे और इनको पद्मश्री अवार्ड किया गया था, ये इनका डेथ हो गया है थिरुसुर के अंदर। अकॉर्डिंग टू यूएनएफसीसी फोर्थ बायनियल अपडेट रिपोर्ट, India's GDP emission intensity has decreased by how much percent between 2005 से 20? 36%। यूएनएफसी का फोर्थ बाइनल अपडेट रिपोर्ट जो है उसमें इंडिया का जीडीपी एमिशन इंटेंसिटी कितना घट गया है? 36%, 2025 से 2020 के बीच में। हु हैज रीच द बुक जम्मू कश्मीर एंड द लद्दाख थ्रू द एजेस? अमित शाह एंड धर्मेंद्र प्रधान और अमित शाह जी ने मिलकर बुक लॉन्च किया जिसका नाम है जम्मू कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख थ्रू द एजेस। विच इंडियन साइंटिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन सेलिब्रेटेड 67th फाउंडेशन डे? डीआरडीओ ने अपना 67वां फाउंडेशन डे सेलिब्रेट किया। हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज अ डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ सिविल एविएशन? फैज़ अहमद किदवई जो है वो आपके डायरेक्टर जनरल अनाउंस किए गए हैं आपके DGCA के। which of the two new schemes promote deposit mobilization has been launched by SBI? हर घर लखपति एंड SBI संरक्षक। हर घर लखपति और SBI संरक्षक जो है ये 2 न्यू स्कीम है जो कि प्रमोट करेंगे डिपॉजिट मोबिलाइजेशन को। इसको लॉन्च किया गया है SBI के द्वारा। द ट्रॉफी एंड मैस्कॉट ऑफ खो खो वर्ल्ड कप वेयर अनवील्ड इन द नेम ऑफ तेजस एंड तारा। तेजस और तारा के नाम से खो खो वर्ल्ड कप के मैस्कट को अनवील किया गया है। अकॉर्डिंग टू रूटर्स रिपोर्ट, विच इज़ द मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड? हनोई जो कि कैपिटल है वियतनाम का। रूटर्स ने रिपोर्ट निकाली है, उसमें मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी किसको डिक्लेयर किया गया? हनोई जो कि कैपिटल है आपका वियतनाम का। हु हैज बीन इलेक्टेड स्पीकर ऑफ यूएस हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑन 3 जनवरी 2025? माइक जॉनसन जो है वो आपके स्पीकर इलेक्ट किए गए हैं यूएस हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को। Who has been awarded America's highest civilian honor, President Medal of the Freedom? हिलेरी क्लिंटन, लियोनेल मेसी, जॉर्ज सोरोस एंड 19 अदर्स। अमेरिका का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर प्रेसिडेंट मेडल ऑफ फ्रीडम जो है वो दिया गया है हिलेरी क्लिंटन को, लियोनेल मेसी को, जॉर्ज सोरोस को और 19 अलग लोगों को। हु whose chairmanship the central government has constituted 18 member committee to revise the base year 2011-12 से 22-23 ऑफ WPI? रमेश चंद्र जो कि नीति आयोग के मेंबर हैं। आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने एक 18 मेंबर की कमेटी बनाई है आपके बेस ईयर को रिवाइज करने के लिए 2011-12 से 2022-23 में। इसके हेड कौन है? रमेश चंद जो कि नीति आयोग के मेंबर हैं। Telangana government has expanded the Raitu Bharosa Yojana and increased the annual financial assistance to farmer per acre from 10,000 to 12,000। आपके क्या बोल रहा है कि तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सपेंड किया है रायतु भरोसा योजना को और इसमें इंक्रीज कर दिया है फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट टू फार्मर, एनुअल फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट टू फार्मर फ्रॉम 10,000 टू 12,000। साइंटिस्ट एंड पायनर इन द फील्ड ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इन इंडिया डाइड एट द एज ऑफ 88। हु वाज ही? राजगोपाल चिदम्बरम। राजगोपाल चिदम्बरम जी जो हैं वो आपके साइंटिस्ट और पायनियर हैं न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इन इंडिया के, जिनकी डेथ हो गई है 88 साल की उम्र में। सिपाही चला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ऑफ विच स्टेट did researchers rare banded royal butterfly has been announced to be seen? त्रिपुरा। सिपाही जिला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी में रिसर्चर्स ने रेयर बैंडेड रॉयल बटरफ्लाई को अनाउंस किया है जो कि त्रिपुरा के अंदर है। आफ्टर द इनोवेशन ऑफ मैजेंटा लाइन ऑफ दिल्ली मेट्रो बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी, विच नंबर ऑफ कंट्री इंडिया हैज बिकम द लार्जेस्ट रेल नेटवर्क इन द वर्ल्ड? थर्ड। इंडिया जो है आपका थर्ड लार्जेस्ट रेल नेटवर्क बन गया है आफ्टर मैजेंटा लाइन इनोग्रेशन। Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated section from New Ashok Nagar to Delhi to where UP under नमो भारत कॉरिडोर साहिबाबाद। आपके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आपके न्यू अशोक नगर से आपके साहिबाबाद तक आपके नए 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 नमो भारत कॉरिडोर को स्टार्ट किया है। हु हैज़ बीन अवार्डेड द प्रेस्टिजियस गंगाधर नेशनल पोएट्री अवार्ड फॉर 2023 ड्यूरिंग द 58th फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ संबलपुर यूनिवर्सिटी? प्रतिभा सतपथी जो कि उड़िया पोएट हैं। According to the report released by the India become the second most targeted country globally for cyber attacks in 2024. Australian won the Border Gavaskar Trophy by defeating India 3-1. Who has been awarded Player of the Series? Jasprit Bumrah. In which city Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated newly formed 69th Railway Division, Jammu? Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren transferred 14,000 crore to the account of how many lakh women under Maiya Saman Yojana? 56 लाख करोड़। 56 लाख लोग महिलाओं के पास आपके 14,000 करोड़ ट्रांसफर किए गए हैं मैया समान योजना के अंतर्गत। विच IIT हैज लॉन्च एशियाज लार्जेस्ट सैलो वेव बेसिन रिसर्च फैसिलिटी? IIT मद्रास। IIT मद्रास ने लॉन्च किया है एशिया का लार्जेस्ट सैलो वेव बेसिन रिसर्च फैसिलिटी। विच स्टेट हैज लॉन्च फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ इट्स एजुकेशन असेसमेंट प्रोग्राम गणोत्सव 2025? असम। विच स्टेट द सेंट्रल फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक फिशरी क्लस्टर? सिक्किम। Evidence of endangered Pallas cat was found in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Which name the Central Drug Standard Control Organization has recognized AI-powered pulse diagnostic device as India's first Ayurvedic medical device? Nadi Tarangini। Central Drugs Standard Control CDSO जो है इसने आपके AI-powered pulse diagnostic device जो कि एक आयुर्वेदिक मेडिकल डिवाइस है, इसका नाम क्या है? नाड़ी तरंग। Which country has become the 11th full member country of BRICS? Indonesia. Who has been elected unopposed as the president of the Athletics Federation of India? Bahadur Singh Sagu. Which place the central government has announced build a memorial of former president Pranab Mukherjee? राष्ट्रीय स्मृति स्थल राजघाट, दिल्ली। Union Minister Amit Shah has launched the portal by which name to the country's international investigation to a new level? भारतपोल। भारतपोल को अमित शाह जी ने लॉन्च किया है जो कि कंट्रीज इंटरनेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टू अ न्यू लेवल ले जाएगा। India's GDP is projected to grow by 6.4% in financial year 2024-25, which is released by NSO. Uttar Pradesh government has partnered with Google Cloud to launch Uttar Pradesh Open Network for Agriculture. Which state has launched Shahid Madho Singh Hath Kharcha Yojana, who provide financial assistance to 5,000 to street students? Odisha. Forest fire in which state of America has burnt large part of Los Angeles city to ashes? California. Under which name Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched scheme for free army, police and military training to the youth of the state? Parth. New Zealand batsman announced his retirement from international cricket. Who is? Martin Guptill. SBI has revised GDP growth forecast for the financial year 25 from 6.4% to 6.3%. Who has been as the chairman of 9-member Athletes Commission of the Athletics Federation of India? Anju Bobby George. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation of India's first green hydrogen hub? Pudimada का विशाखापट्टनम के अंदर। IUCN has listed which region of India as the major hotspot for freshwater biodiversity? Western Ghat. Who is the senior journalist, filmmaker, poet, and former Rajya Sabha member died? Pritish Nandi. Which day was celebrated on 8 January? Earth Rotation Day. What is the name of Rural India Festival 2025 was organized in New Delhi? Building a Resilient Rural India for Development India 2047. Mazagon Dock handed over the 6 Scorpion class submarine Project 75 Bagasi to the Navy. Which of the other 5 submarines, Kalvari, Khanderi, Karanj, Vela, or Vagsir? What is what name Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off state of the art tourist train for Indian living abroad on Pravasi Bharatiya Divas? Pravasi Bharatiya Express. World Bank has approved contribution of $35 million for the Empower project of which state? Meghalaya. United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospect 2025 report estimates that India's economy will grow from 6.6%. Which famous beach of Kerala, Denmark's Foundation for इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन फी जिसका नाम है अवार्डेड प्रेसिजर ब्लूफेयर सर्टिफिकेशन? कपाट जो कोझिकोड के अंदर है, और आपके चल जो कन्नौर के अंदर है। पार्लियामेंट ऑफ लेबनान हैज इलेक्टेड हुम एज द न्यू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कंट्री? जोसेफ आऊ, जो कि आर्मी कमांडर थे। विथ विच थीम वाज द प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस सेलिब्रेटेड? कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनआईज इन डेवलप इंडिया। 18th प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस कॉन्फ्रेंस 2025 was organized in Bhubaneswar from this date. Which theme? Diaspora's contribution to the Viksit Bharat. Where was Asia's leading food and beverage trade exhibition Indus Food 2025 organized? Greater Noida. Under what name Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Nath launched FM channel for Mahakumbh 2025? Kumbhwani. President Draupadi Murmu conferred Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award 2025 to how many people, including Trinidad and Tobago President Christine Carla Kangalu? 27. Where was the ICMR has announced to set up South India's first infectious disease research and diagnostic laboratory? Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute, Bangalore. Where did the Develop India Young Leaders Dialogue 25 start? Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi के अंदर. Central government has released the highest amount of tax transfer to which state? Uttar Pradesh. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has unveiled a platform by which name to promote clean technology sectors in India? Bharat Clean Tech. With which theme World Hindi Day was celebrated on 10 January? Hindi, Unity and Cultural Pride, Global Voice. Where did Union Minister Sarvanand Sonowal launch National River Traffic and Navigation System? Kaziranga, Assam. According to the data, Ministry of Energy released on this, India recorded how many record high renewable energy capacity addition in 2024, which is 113% more than 13.7 gigawatt recorded in 2023, 30 gigawatts. Which country has joined the United Nations Expert Committee for Statistics? India. Which state made in India surgical robot system has successfully performed two robotic cardiac surgery from distance of 286 km? SSI Mantra 3. Who has launched the multi-layer clothing system Heem Kavach for the Indian Navy suitable for extreme cold weather? DRDO. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw in which city inaugurate modern laptop factory for Sirma SGS Technology, Chennai? American magazine Track and Field News has declared whom the world's best male athlete in javelin? Neeraj Chopra. India became fourth country in the world to successfully conduct a space docking experiment, जिसको SpaceX भी बोलते हैं. Who has been elected as the new secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Devjit Sahkia. Which state has Adani Group announced investment of 75,000 crore? Chhattisgarh. Haryana's men's kabaddi team defeated which state to win Junior National Kabaddi Championship? Uttarakhand. Who has registered the name in the world record by jumping 13,000 feet in Bangkok? Anamika Sharma from Bihar. Who has been appointed as the captain of Punjab Kings for IPL 25? Shreyas Iyer. National Youth Day was celebrated in India on 12 January 2025 to commemorate birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. 18th Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran held between India and Nepal from 29 December to 13 January in Saljhandi, Nepal. Where did the world's largest spiritual and cultural gathering Mahakumbh 2025 start on 13 January 2024? Prayagraj. Who became the 13th state to implement Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? Odisha. Narendra Modi inaugurated a state-of-the-art road tunnel by which name on the Srinagar-Leh National Highway to facilitate road traffic throughout the year in Ladakh region? सोनमर्ग टनल, जो कि जैलपुर टनल भी बोलते हैं इसको. Department of Telecommunication has signed an agreement with which IIT to develop wideband spectrum senior sensor ASIC chip आईटी जम्मू एंड आईटी मंडी। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन ने एग्रीमेंट किया है विच आईटी से डेवलप करने के लिए वाइड बैंड स्पेक्ट्रम सेंसर ASIC चिप आईटी जम्मू और आईटी मंडी के। पीयूष गोयल इनोग्रेटेड द नेशनल टर्मरिक बोर्ड इन विच सिटी? निजामाबाद, तेलंगाना। Who is a famous filmmaker who was honored with the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award by the West Bengal Film Journalists Association? Aparna Sen. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar released Parliament Power, Function and Privilege, a comparative constitutional perspective. Who is the author of this book? K.S. Chauhan. Who took oath for the third six-year term for the 46th President of Venezuela? Nicolas Maduro. Which second multi-purpose vessel built by L&T Shipyard Limited for Indian Navy was launched in Kattupalli, Chennai? Utkarsh. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of German multinational sports manufacturing company Puma? PV Sandhu. Which state government has announced a pension of 20,000 per month for those jailed during emergency? Odisha. Who took over as the chief of ISRO and secretary of Department of Space? V. Narayanan. Which indigenously developed third generation anti-tank fire and forget guided missile was tested by DRDO Nag Mk2? Which mission was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 150th Foundation Day of IMD Mission Mausam? Which state the annual ball taming sport Avaniyapuram Jallikattu was organized during Pongal festival? Tamil Nadu. Which country did India has announced to celebrate the next year 2026 as a double year to celebrate advances in culture, tourism and artificial intelligence? Spain. Which veteran director and writer of Indian cinema was honored with the Padam Pani Lifetime Achievement Award at the 10th Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival? Sai Paranjape. Which veteran director writers Indian cinema honored with Padam Pani Lifetime Achievement Award at the 10th Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival? Sai Paranjape. Which with which theme 77th Indian Army Day celebrated on 15 January? Samarth Bharat, Saksham Bharat. In which state biggest harvest festival Zeliangrong community Gan Nagai was celebrated from this state? Manipur. Which three ships of P-17 frigate class has been dedicated to the nation by Prime Minister Modi in Mumbai? INS Surat, INS Nilgiri and INS Bagsir. Which two Indian startups working in the space sector has launched their satellites for the first time from SpaceX rocket to monitor Earth? Pixel and Digantara. Which city in Prime Minister Modi inaugurated Asia's second largest ISKCON Sri Sri Radha Madan Bhumi Temple? Navi Mumbai. Singapore President Tharman Shanmugaratnam conferred honorary citizenship to whom for his invaluable contribution to Singapore India relation? तरुण दास. तरुण दास को आपके ऑनररी सिटीजनशिप दिया गया है कहाँ का? सिंगापुर का. Who became the first Indian woman to secure most 10 centuries, the record fastest century in women's ODI on 15 January? Smriti Mandhana. Which state of South India Kanuma Panduga festival was celebrated in honor of cattle? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. C. and Government of India has signed an agreement with which IIT to develop optical transceiver chipsets for high bandwidth 6G wireless link? IIT Bombay. Where has the Union Cabinet approved setting up third launch pad for ISRO's next generation rocket launchers? Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Amit Shah inaugurated Archaeological Experiment Museum in Vadnagar, Gujarat. अमित शाह ने इनोग्रेट किया है आर्कियोलॉजिकल एक्सपेरिमेंटल म्यूजियम वडनगर गुजरात के अंदर. व्हाट न्यू नेम श्री राम हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी इन इंडिया हैज चेंज? ट्रू होम फाइनेंस. टू whom did President द्रौपदी मुर्मू conferred मेजर ध्यानचंद खेलरत्न अवार्ड 2024? मनु भाकर, हरमनप्रीत सिंह, रुकेश और आपके प्रवीण कुमार. Who has been interested with the hosting of 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers Commonwealth of Parliament? India. Who has been interested with the hosting of 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Commonwealth Parliament? India. taking an important step towards environment by what name the Mahakumbh 2025, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has launched campaign One Plate One Bag, who has been appointed as the batting coach for Team India, Siddhanshu Kotak, which IIT has CDOT partnered for indigenous 6G optical chipset IIT Mumbai, which who has made the record of playing the most grand matches on 17 January, Novak Djokovic. As per information of the world, secularism has been removed from the constitution of which country? Bangladesh. 60th anniversary of diplomatic relation between India and which country has been celebrated? Singapore. Where was the world's first Mahamrityunjay Yantra has been installed? Prayagraj. India's first fully literate administrative unit has been formed under the new literacy campaign Ullas, Ladakh. Narendra Modi distributed property card to how many people? Under Swamiti Yojana, 65 lakh. Army, Air Force and Special Forces conduct military exercise on the northern border of the country, Devil Strike. Which country's team won the first Kho World Cup 2025? India. Who has been appointed as the Director General of CRPF? Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Vedanta Resources Limited has appointed CEO Disani Naidu. Uttarakhand government has signed an agreement with which country to achieve carbon neutrality? Iceland. President of which country, Tharman Shanmugaratnam, visited India for the first time for a 5-day visit? Singapore. Which state's Foundation Day was celebrated on 21 June 2025? Manipur, Meghalaya और Tripura. Which country has become the participating country of BRICS on 21 January? Nigeria. Who won the women's single title in the Indian Open Super Badminton Tournament? Ansi Yong. Where was Indian Mobility Global Expo 2025 organized? New Delhi and Greater Noida. Who has been entertained in the Australian Cricket Hall of the Fame? माइकल क्लॉर्क जो कि फॉर्मर ऑस्ट्रेलियन कैप्टन है. हु वोन द विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी फॉर द फिफ्थ टाइम ऑन 22 जनवरी? कर्नाटका. विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च दीनदयाल उपाध्याय कृषि मजदूर कल्याण योजना? छत्तीसगढ़. विच गवर्नमेंट स्कीम हैज कंप्लीटेड 10 ईयर्स? सेव डॉटर्स एजुकेट डॉटर्स स्कीम. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ विच स्टेट हैज लॉन्च कवचम डिजास्टर सिस्टम? केरला. वेयर डिड वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल गेट GI टैग? अंडमान निकोबार. Which what is the position of India in the Global Firefly Index 2025? Fourth. Where has 11th edition of International Children's Film Festival started? Kolkata. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Fiki Frames? Ayushmann Khurrana. Who has become the first South Asian country to legalize gay marriage? Thailand. Which state's 76th Foundation Day was celebrated on 24 January? Uttar Pradesh. Who has joined the World Cricket Connects Advisory Board? Jaisa. Which state has started pilot project on hemp cultivation? Himachal Pradesh. Researchers of which university has discovered new phytopathogenic fungus Epicoccum indicum? Banaras Hindu University. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched which battlefield surveillance system indigenously? Indian Army Bell in New Delhi. Which state has launched Samman Sanjeevani app to provide essential services to BPL women and girls on National Girl Child Day? Haryana. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of India to Israel on 24 January? Jitendra Pal Singh. Who has launched Operation Sardhawa on India-Pakistan border? BSF. Which player has made the record of scoring most runs without getting out in T20 on 25 January? Tilak Verma, 318 run. Which state celebrated 5th Foundation Day on 22 January 2025? Himachal Pradesh. Who has won 9th Johor International Open Chess Tournament in Malaysia? Indian Pannis Selvan. Which farmer of Himachal Pradesh has been awarded Padma Shri for developing HRMN99 apple variety? Harivansh Sharma, जो कि famous as Apple Man of India. Which country's AI company DeepSeek has challenged US dominance by introducing powerful AI models? China. Who has been honored with the electronic media category for voter awareness during Lok Sabha election 2024? Doordarshan. Who has been selected as the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year? Arshdeep Singh. Which famous sculptor of India died on the 25 January? Latika Khat. President of which country, Praveen Subianto, and attends 76th Republic Day celebration of India as the chief guest? Indonesia. Which Pakistan citizen has been awarded Jeevan Rakshak Award for the humanity and bravery during Hajj 2024? Asif Basir. Who has created history by becoming first two cities of India to be included in the global list of veteran cities, Indore and Udaipur. As SEBI has launched digital archive showcasing more than 150 years of history of India's security market under what name? Dharohar. Odisha Warriors defeated home in Ranchi to win the first title of Women's Hockey India League? JSW Surma Hockey Club. who won the men's and women's single titles at the 86th Senior National Table Tennis Championship held in Surat, Manu Shah or Dia Chitale, who won the men's and women's single title at the Australian Open 2025, Jannik Sinner and Madison Keys, who got the Best Debut Award at the Republic Day Parade held in 26 जनवरी 2025, कर्तव्य पथ दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, महाकुंभ, स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास, which IIT has launched Agri Hub for Agriculture Technology Excellence, Indore, who has become the first state to implement Uniform Civil Code in independent India, Uttarakhand, who has been selected by ICC as Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year, Smriti Mandhana, who won the ICC Women's Championship for the third consecutive time, Australia, who has surpassed MS Dhoni to become the highest run scoring Indian wicketkeeper in T20, Dinesh Karthik, who topped the first stage of Khelo India Winter Games held in Leh, Ladakh, where was सांबर महोत्सव 2025 celebrated जयपुर के अंदर, which first fintech platform of India has launched beta version of digital currency e-wallet in partnership with RBI Cred, who has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Rajesh Nirvan, who was awarded Maharaja Hari Singh Award मनोज सिन्हा, जो कि लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर हैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के, विच बैंक हैज वोन द अवार्ड्स इन 6 कैटेगरीज, आईबीए बैंकिंग टेक्नोलॉजी अवार्ड 2024, कर्नाटका बैंक, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड द बिजनेस कॉम्प्लेक्स इन भुवनेश्वर बाय व्हाट नेम, उत्कर्ष उड़ीसा, मेक इन उड़ीसा, who won the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award for the जनवरी 2024, मेलिकार जो कि न्यूजीलैंड की है, who has been selected as the ICC Cricketer of the Year 2024, जसप्रीत बुमराह, वेयर डिड प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड द 38th नेशनल गेम्स, देहरादून उत्तराखंड के अंदर, विच स्टेट हैज लॉन्च विकासित गांव स्कीम फॉर विलेज डेवलपमेंट, उड़ीसा के अंदर, यूनियन कैबिनेट हैज अप्रूव्ड द नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल मिशन विद एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ हाउ मेनी करोड़ इन 7 years, 34,300 करोड़, China's leading tech company Alibaba has launched its new AI model with what name to challenge OpenAI ChatGPT Quench 2.5 Max, who has become the first company in the country to develop hydrogen transport pipe, Tata Steel. ISRO successfully launched which navigation satellite through GSLV F-15 rocket as a part of historic 100th launch from Sriharikota NVS-02. Central government has launched loan guarantee scheme up to how many crores of rupees for the purchase of equipment and machinery, 100 crore. Which day was celebrated on 29 जनवरी 2025, Indian Newspaper Day? Young Indian mountaineer Shivangi Pathak hoisted tricolor on the highest peak of which country? Australia. Which temple got FCI license? Bake Behar Temple. The parliament of which city has given legal personality status to Mount Taranaki, New Zealand? Gujarat government has declared which village of Kutch district as the state of first biological heritage site, Guneri? Which state has launched India's first WhatsApp-based governance platform, Manmitra? Andhra Pradesh. Who has made the record of doing longest spacewalk? Sunita Williams. Who has been selected as the pilot of NASA's Axiom 4 mission along with his Subhanshu Shukla? University of Success has conferred an honorary doctorate to which Tata Group? Noel Tata. Which two-time Indian boxing Olympian Commonwealth Games gold and bronze medalist has retired? Manoj Kumar. Which country has started first clinical trial of vaccine for Ebola virus with WHO? Uganda. Which country has been declared by WHO free from onchorasis, considered threat to public health? Niger. Who edited the book Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade? Aishwarya Pandit. What name the Ministry of Railway has launched super app to integrate several railway services on single platform? Swarail. BCCI announced to honor whom with the Lifetime Achievement Award? Sachin Tendulkar. Under what name the Indian Navy's largest biennial maritime exercise began in Indian Ocean? Tropex 25.